Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today, I wanted to chat with you about not retwisting your locks for an extended period of time. So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, fam, so recently, if you saw my past couple of videos, you know that I did not retwist my locks for over 3 months, which I thought would not be an issue because I don't retwist on a schedule. I usually retwist about every 2 months, but not on a schedule. It just works out to be that much. But I just retwist as needed. Sometimes it's more than 2 months. Sometimes it's less than 2 months. But this time, time and stuff got away from me. Check out the other videos if you haven't. I will link above and also below. But it was over 3 months by the time I got to my retwist. So I was thinking that that would not be an issue because, like I said, I've done 2 months, but I guess just another, extra month, a month and a half, it made all the difference in the world. And for me, I did not like it. I did not enjoy it. Some things I, saw, felt. The main thing was the stickiness at my roots. And my locks, for the most part, I guess I should start by saying if you have not been here before, welcome. And I will be locked 2 years next month. No, wait, it's February right now. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I think I've already, and we've passed Valentine's Day. So I'm already locked 2 years. That's so funny. I don't really even be keeping up with that kind of stuff, but because I've been doing videos about it, I've been kind of, trying to keep track more. But that's funny. So it's over 2 months at this point. So I've been locked over 2 months. I started my locks myself. I do my maintenance myself, all of that. So with that being said, 2 months is not an issue. The stickiness of the roots. Okay. So the stickiness of the roots was so bothersome for me. And like I was trying to say, for the most part, my locks grow, in their lock. They stay in their lock as they're growing out. But yeah, just that sticking together I didn't like the feeling of it. So uncomfortable. I don't want to say painful, maybe that's a little dramatic, but so darn uncomfortable. And yes, I pop my locks, after I wash sometimes. That's another thing. I will wash and not retwist all of the time. It's not an issue for me, but going into that over 3 months time, washing, that last time I washed, I was like, I cannot wash and just leave them, wash and go and not retwist. I'm really going to have some sticky roots. It's really, really going to be bothering me. So that part I did not like. The other thing I did not like is, what did I not like? When I went to retwist, it took a longer time because obviously I had more, roots to work with. I had to do more separating, more popping. So it took a longer time. And then just not being able to, I guess I could have, but not washing and going that last time. Like that always saved me time, wash and go. I wash whenever I want and not worry about retwisting after, but didn't want to do that time. So that was like the 3 main things that just did not work for me. That tells me, I don't want to be doing that again. Here's another thing. I did not think I would mind because for my daughter, when she was locked, she's standing right here. You want to come say hey, Cody? She's not locked any longer. We took her locks down. How many years ago did we take your locks down? 2, maybe 2 years ago. We took 3. She feels like it was 3 years ago. We took her locks down and she's been natural ever since then. Bye. But for her, we weren't on a schedule either, and she was more freeform, more on the freeform side, but rarely did we ever retighten, right, Cody?
Yeah.
It was rare that we retwisted. I used to ask her, I'd be like, do you feel like retwisting? Is it pulling too much? Because I would notice her roots, you know, kind of starting to get together, and she would be like, no, or yeah. Or if I saw them doing too much, then I would separate and retwist. But, you know, we could go a year with maybe 3 retwists or something, if even that. She was way more freeform. So I didn't think it was going to be an issue with my own head. So that just goes to show you everyone's heads, everyone's likes are different. I thought, you know, before I did these, and I was kind of thinking, do I want a freeform? Do I not want a freeform? And I decided no freeform. I was thinking I could go the freeform way, but this just goes to show maybe freeform would not have been for me, you know? Everyone's completely different. Heads are different. Likes, needs, wants are different. And for me, I know that over that 2 month is not groovy. So I most likely won't be doing it again. Now, as for any damage or anything like that, because I have seen where people said they got damage from not retwisting. I didn't notice any. I don't know how I could have gotten damage in that way. If anything, you know, maybe it would have been better because I was not retwisting, you know, as often, but I don't retwist often anyway. So damage was not even something I was concerned about. And now that I've retwisted, I don't have any. So that's my main thing. I mean, let me know down below. Do you guys have locks? Do you retwist on a schedule? What is your schedule? Have you done like, I'm not retwisting for a while consciously, or did time just get away from you like me? Just let me know what you guys are going with down below. If you're not locked, say hey, and let me know how you're doing. But that's pretty much it. As you guys, I don't know if you've seen, but I have hand and hair disease lately. If my hair is down, then my hands is just always in my head. But how funny! It's been 2 years and I didn't even know. So I guess I'm gonna finish up my 2-year video with pictures and videos and stuff, and then my comparison video and all that. So I'll have that coming up next. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right.